As the clouds burst and torrential rain hit Kerala, we were tested like never before. Towns were flooded, farm fields were submerged underwater, houses collapsed, and roads were destroyed, and we saw the nature red in tooth and claw.
Yet, we won the battle. We survived, and it's time to salute the heroes who made it possible.
Yes, how could you forget Jason, a fisherman, and his noble act of kindness?
And to the courage of the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force, we are proud of you.
And political leaders and common people who set aside their differences and joined the forces.
The vehicle department of Ideal School, we salute you all for your service.
Yes, together we stood, young and old, rich and poor, men and women, all of us stood together, fought together, and we shall overcome together.
Yes, we shall overcome.
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome.